Bam, babes. Guys, what a past couple days. Between Jerome Powell, guys, 3 days ago, explaining that pretty much you're going to stop buying bonds, which means that interest will go up sooner than expected. He made everything crash on Monday. And then yesterday, guys, the first case of the Omicron variant showed up in California in the US. Our first case was reported, and it made everything crash bad. It made everything crash bad. Airlines were down, guys, almost 10%. But for some reason, everything seems to be kind of recovering today. So, first off, I'd like to take a look at the airlines, guys. We're going to look at Delta super quick because they are very affected by the virus. And look at this morning. If you look, actually, it's up 70% this morning, and that's exactly what it dropped down yesterday. And if you look at the past week, actually, it's only down 1.8%. And between Jerome Powell explaining what's about to happen with the interest rate, it's simple, guys. Before the interest rate goes up, it's all controlled by the Fed. Before they do that, they stop buying back bonds. When they start slowing down on buying back bonds, it means interest rate is about to go up. It's about to shoot back up. So he explained on Monday that they will stop buying. They're going to slow down buying back bonds month earlier than expected, which means that inflation is coming up month earlier than expected, which is not good, guys. Most investors, as soon as they heard this on Monday, pulled all their money out. A lot of people just pulled their money out. Gosh, there's still a lot of investors that just see this as a buying opportunity, and they're not taking all their money out. But so much money has been taken out of the market. Delta was at a good buying opportunity, guys. If you bought it yesterday, you scored. You scored because you're currently up 8%. And let's look at everything else, guys. Everything is really down. I took this opportunity, guys. I had several contracts on AMC, and I got rid of them this morning. And actually, the contracts, guys, yesterday were up about, just for yesterday, we're up over 150%. There you go. AMC, where is AMC? And right now, I'm so glad I sold it, guys, because it dipped yesterday 15%. The contracts that I had were for shorting AMC. They jumped 150. I was still down on it. I'm still down on it, but I'm so glad that I was able to lock it in where I locked it in. They were up yesterday 150%. So I sold them. I put the sell-in order last night, really hoping that because in the aftermarket hours, AMC came back up. Pre-market came back up. It actually went up almost 6% this morning. So I put the order last night hoping that they would still sell this morning. And guys, I left work earlier and boom, I saw that the contract did get sold. I sold the contract. When I clicked on selling them, it was at maybe $28 for AMC. It's already back up to $30. I'm so glad that I got rid of these contracts. So one good thing happened on this dip. One good thing. And guys, I'm actually going to use this. So this gives me, I'm going to show you guys, buying power $437. So that's the contract that I just sold on AMC. And what I'm going to do is I'm thinking about, I have my eye on 2 stocks right now, guys. 2 stocks. There's a lot of stocks that are at a buying opportunity. Lots of stocks right now. But I have my eye on Robinhood. $24. I was kind of hoping, but I was at work. If I could score Robinhood under $24, I'm going to add some more on it. And same thing with Twitter, guys. If I can score Twitter right around this price, actually, I might add some more. And it dropped down to how much? To 41. So if it goes under 42, I'm getting more. If Twitter goes under 42, guys, today, within the next couple hours, I'll be putting the $400 on Twitter. Or same thing goes on for Robinhood. And that's kind of the 2 stocks that I really have an eye on, that I see a good opportunity to buy the dip, and then a good future, a bright future ahead. Cryptocurrency, guys, they're stable. They're stable, but one thing that is happening, guys, is Ethereum seems to be kind of closing down on Bitcoin. If you look, Ethereum is right now at 4,500, trading at 4,500. Let's look at Bitcoin. 56. So about 10% worth of what Bitcoin is worth. And actually, if you kind of pay attention, they're closing the gap. Ethereum is slowly closing the gap on Bitcoin. With what was happening before, Ethereum at 4,500, we should have Bitcoin at 65,000, not at 56. at 65,000. So let's kind of keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin needs to step it up because Ethereum is doing really, really well. Really well. Keep an eye on that. Dogecoin, guys, the ultimate, it just stays there, man. You see, as soon as it peaks, man, it peaked this morning, 3:30 in the morning, just jumped 7%, almost 6.5%. And it just bleeds out. It just bleeds out, bleeds out, bleeds out. So let's keep an eye on all this, guys. Market's crashing, but seems to be holding on, kind of recovering today. So put down, guys, are you guys taking money out? Are you guys seeing this as a buying opportunity? What are you guys doing? Put it down in the comments. And guys, happy investing. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to. I'm out.